What's up, family? It's Naj with Built by Plants, and I'm actually getting ready to shoot out to the gym. But while I was getting ready, I figured somebody can use some advice today, right? Somebody can use some motivation and just some insight. So what I'm gonna do is share a snippet of a longer video. This is a 4-minute clip of a 12-minute video that's I just added to our Built by Plants Pocket Coach. Now, if you all don't know what the Pocket Coach is, it's our monthly membership app where we teach all about training, nutrition, and mindset so that you can build your ideal body and not just build it, but keep it and understand how you build it. So we teach all about calories, tracking your foods, how to go about training, progressive overload, all these different things that really do matter. So you understand the fundamentals and you're not just getting results by randomness or happenstance, but you actually understand how to build your ideal physique. All right. It also comes with our virtual kitchen where we upload monthly recipes and pretty much everything that you'll need to sustain a plant-based lifestyle, at least incorporate it into your life, all right? So there's a link down below in the description for you to get access to the Pocket Coach, but let's get right into the video. So this video right here, this specific snippet is gonna be talking about how to keep yourself motivated because there's gonna be things that's gonna be happening in your life that may distract you, that may be, inconvenience, stress, and all these different things. So I'm talking a little bit about how to go with that and how to, not let that hinder you from your results and, knocking yourself off track from quitting and all those type of things. All right. It's 4 minutes. Give it a watch. It's going to be able to provide some type of value to you. I know it is. All right. If y'all got any questions, just drop them down below. Follow me on Instagram at Mogul, Mogul, Naj, Naj, Mogul Naj, one word. And then make sure that you like this video, share it with somebody, and subscribe. If you're watching this, it's free. You're gonna be able to get new weekly videos because I'm getting more consistent now, I think a little bit, all right? So let's get into it. When you see yourself progressing right in front of your own eyes on a week-to-week basis, it's extremely powerful and motivating. Now, this is one of the most truest things of all time, literally. When I first started my path, trying to get stronger, trying to lose fat, trying to build muscle, just trying to improve who I was as a person prior to coaching, prior to training people, prior to any of this, when I was trying to develop myself. This is what I took pride in, making sure every single day I was weighing in, regardless of what the scale said, because I wasn't so much focused on that. I wasn't focused on the daily fluctuations. I was focused on those behaviors. This is the behavior of a person that's fit, right? So I'm going to do this as well. I'm going to track my calories. That's the behavior of a person that's fit, that knows how much food they're eating, that knows the amounts and the measurements and such. All right, I was taking my progress pictures every single day, literally after every single workout, and I was fat. I mean, you all have seen some of those pictures if been following for a while, or you checked out that section of the Pocket Coach. Regardless, even when I was heavier, when I had the big stomach and such, I still took pictures because it's about who you're becoming and knowing that as long as you did the right things that specific day, you're no longer that person. You're no longer that overweight person. Every single day that you do the right thing. All right. The other reason why you want to take these pictures and measurements and everything is because you're not going to always be motivated every single day. All right. I'm not motivated every single day. I start that way, but it fluctuates. Right. Some days things are going to happen. Some days we may get upset because, we're just getting stressed out with work. Some days we may not feel the greatest energy wise because it's just been a long day. Some days, some of us have, kids, so we're dealing with them, taking care of them. They're the priority. Some days work stresses us out. We're arguing with coworkers, our spouse or something like that. We're not going to feel motivated every single day. All right. And that's okay because that's part of life. That's also part of the lifestyle. But the thing is, you want to keep going. You want to have something that's, tangible outside of yourself to keep you motivated, which will be your progress pictures and your measurements and how you're doing on this journey. So when you can look at yourself in the mirror and see how you're progressing, you see how your body is changing over time, week by week, month by month. And when you feel yourself feeling like quitting, stopping this program, or to stopping this lifestyle, when you don't feel like, eating the right things, when you don't feel like tracking your calories, maybe you're in traffic on the way to the gym, which has happened to a lot of us, and something happened, somebody cut us off and almost caused an accident, and get our emotions all involved, and we get upset, and we don't even feel like going to the gym no more. We have these tangible things that we can look at that can keep us on point, that will stop us from quitting. Like, oh man, well, I was about to quit, but look how I'm looking. Look how I was looking last month compared to this month. Why would I stop? Why would I do that? Over this situation, that just happened just now, that we're not even going to be thinking about next week. You know what I mean? We're getting stressed out about these little things. They may be big in the moment, but they're little when it comes to the full scope of our life and our health and how we look and how we feel about ourselves. They're so small and minute. You don't want to let those things discourage you or distract you or stress you out to the point where you feel like quitting. So tracking this progress, setting goals, tracking those goals, looking at how you're progressing over time, that's going to keep you motivated and keep you on point and keep you on path to striving towards something that's, bigger and greater than what you have done previously and where you are currently right now. You always want to be moving forward towards something and focusing on those daily behaviors, doing those things that's going to get you there in the long term. All right, that's what's going to help you turn this into a lifestyle. So let's get started. Grab your pen, set those goals, write those goals down, and then let's move on to the next.